Hello, my name is Nathan Taylor, otherwise known as Sockmatician, and this is a video tutorial to accompany the Sockmatician's Double Knitted Brioche ebook. This particular video shows how to work the simple left-leaning double decrease in inverted double knitted brioche. It's called inverted double knitted brioche because I'm working with the colours switched over, so I'm creating all the knit stitches on this side of the fabric with my pearl coloured yarn and my pearl stitches on this side of the fabric with my knit coloured yarn. As always with double knitted brioche in inverted mode, I'm starting with both yarns at the back of the work, having got there by going over the top of the right needle. All of the double decreases in this section, in the simple section of the book, require you to rearrange your stitches from their usual knit, purl, knit, purl, knit, purl order to the knit, 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 purl, purl, purl order, and I've already done that. There is another tutorial in the series showing you how that's done. It doesn't matter if you're working in standard or inverted mode, the video is the same for both. So here I am, I've got my 3 knit stitches followed by my 3 purl stitches. The simple left-leaning double decrease in inverted mode starts with an SSSK, which is a slip, slip, slip knit, and it's done like this. Slip 1 stitch with its yarn over knitwise from the left needle to the right, slip a 2nd stitch with its yarn over knitwise from the left needle to the right, slip a 3rd stitch with its yarn over knitwise again from the left needle to the right. Then I'm going to slip all 3 of those stitches, purlwise this time. Purlwise this time from the right needle to the left, and that's remounted them so they now sit with their leading leg behind the needle. And then using my pearl coloured yarn, I can go into all 6 of those strands, the 3 stitches with their yarn overs, and knit those together with the pearl coloured yarn through the back legs. And I work my inverted yarn manoeuvres. Bring both of my yarns to the front, going between the 2 needles, and then I take the pearl coloured yarn to the back of the work, going over the top of the right needle, like so. The next part of this is very simple. It's just a standard purl 3 together. So we're going to do all 3 of those stitches with their yarn overs, and using my knit coloured yarn, because we're in inverted mode, I purl all of those stitches together through the front legs this time, making sure as I slide those old stitches off the left needle that that pearl coloured yarn over stays in place over the top of the new stitch. And then I finish everything off by taking my knit coloured yarn to the back of the work. Let's have a look at what that's done. These 3 columns of stitches are all coming together, stacking up on top of each other, leaning very definitely over to the left, and on the other side of the work you can see them stacking up on top of each other, leaning over to the right. As with all of these simple versions of the decreases, you do get to see that little colour blip there, but I don't think that's any major problem. And that's all you need to know about how to work the simple left-leaning double decrease in inverted double knitted brioche. Zip!